This upcoming Air Jordan 1 is gonna bring some hype back to the Air Jordan 1. This is your last chance to get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Travis Scott Olive Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do to enter this free giveaway is hit that thumbs up, smash that like button. Let's get this video up to 1,000 likes. That would be amazing. And if you guys get this video up to 1,000 likes, I'm gonna give away this early Air Jordan 1 that we're taking a look at today. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know your size in the Travis Scott Olive Air Jordan 1s, and then DM me proof on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Take a picture, take a screenshot, send me proof that you guys subscribed to my YouTube channel. Good luck on this free Travis Scott Olive giveaway. I'll be announcing the winner here on YouTube in about a week's time. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Travis Scott Olives. And once again, smash that like button, because if you guys can get 1,000 likes on this video, I'm gonna give away this pair of Air Jordan 1s early. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Thank you, Swift Soul, for sending these over for this first look video. Make sure you guys download the Swift Soul app. It's a free app. It will help you cop sneakers for retail. There's tons of release information, restock information, all in one place, and a bunch more. It will help you cop sneakers like this for retail. Make sure you guys download the Swift Soul app. It's free. The link is down below in the description. Saturday, July 8th, right now, is the release date for the Air Jordan 1 UNC toe. Release dates are subject to change, but as of now, this is the release date, July 8th, retail $180 on the UNC toe Air Jordan 1s. And I'm gonna tell you guys right now, these are gonna sell out and be a problem. This UNC color is fire. They did a great job. The leather quality is very nice. It does remind me a lot of the Taxi Air Jordan 1. Same exact colorway, color blocking, just UNC instead of the yellow. And I must say, this UNC is gorgeous. Here's a look at some other UNC sneakers. So we got the University Blue Air Jordan 1s. It is different. It's more like the bottom of the shoe than it is, I would say, the suede here. And then we take a look at the off-white UNC. Definitely off, definitely not the same. This UNC off-white is a lot brighter. Taking a look, it is a lot darker. And then we take a look at the Travis Scott 4s. That is very close. That is pretty close. Not exactly the same, but it is pretty close there. And I must say, leather quality is nice. It reminds me of the Taxis. So if you were happy with the leather quality on the Taxis, which wasn't bad, it was actually pretty good when it comes to the tumbled leather, especially there on the toe box and around the back collar. I think you'll be satisfied with the leather quality here on the UNC toe. Retail $180. Are they going to sell out? Yes, I think they will. Definitely. It is a beautiful pair of Air Jordan 1s in a classic color. UNC Jordans usually do really well, especially on the resale side of things. So, is there going to be resale on these? There probably will be a little bit of resale. I'm not expecting prices to be anything too crazy, but I'm not expecting them to go really under retail at the same time like the Taxis did. This UNC is really nice. The black and white leather is pretty soft. The tumbled leather is really soft. They did a good job. This blue is awesome. The box is gonna match the shoe as well. It is like the Taxi box, just with the UNC blue, and they did a really nice job. The leather quality is good. The blue outsole there pops. It's loud. These are gonna look great on feet. It's the bread toe color blocking, just with the UNC blue, the UNC toe Air Jordan 1. Jordan Brand did a great job. Whenever they put this UNC color on a Jordan, guys, it's just gonna do well. It's gonna do some numbers. It's gonna sell out, and people are gonna want it, eat it up. This is a Jordan 1, and in my opinion, this colorway right here is gonna bring some hype back to the Air Jordan 1s. And make sure you guys stay tuned, because I have more early shoes coming up in the next few days, more Jordan 1s that I think are definitely gonna bring the hype back to the Air Jordan 1. The Air Jordan 1 definitely has fell off in hype a little bit, but I think people are waiting for good colorways like the UNC toe. It comes down to the colorway, the color blocking when it comes down to the Air Jordan 1, hype being there. And right here, they definitely are bringing the hype back to the Air Jordan 1, and I cannot wait for these to release. These are crazy fire. If you guys want me to put these on feet, do an on feet review video nice and early, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. If you guys can get this video up to 1,000 likes, I'm giving away a pair of UNC toes early before they release. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up for me. Let's get this video up to 1,000 likes. That would be amazing. Make sure you guys subscribe because I am giving away a pair of Travis Scott Olives next week. And make sure you guys subscribe for more early sneaker content. This is a first look at the UNC toe Air Jordan 1. I got to give a big shout out over to SwiftSole for supplying me with these today. SwiftSole is a free to download app. You guys can download it on your phone. It will help you cop sneakers for retail. Make sure you guys check out SwiftSole. I'll leave a link down below in the description. Go check out their app. It is fire, and that's exactly where I got this pair from, as well as the upcoming shoes. I'll give you guys a sneak peek. I'll tell you guys we got the Unions, crazy, and the Palomino Air Jordan 1s that look like the Mochas. That's going to be crazy. So make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned for these upcoming videos. Let me know what you guys think about the UNC toe Air Jordan 1. If you guys are copying these when they release on July 8th, please comment a bunch of fire emojis. If you're passing for whatever crazy reason, if you're going to pass, comment a bunch of trash emojis. I want to see who's copying the UNC toe Air Jordan 1s and who's not. I know I am. I'm going to add these to the collection. This UNC color is fire. I can't get enough of it. And with this bread toe color blocking, I'm here for it, man. These are straight fire. Absolutely fire. Make sure you guys leave a like on this video and make sure you guys subscribe. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know your thoughts on the UNC toe Air Jordan 1s. Fire? Straight fire? Or are they trash? Let me know your thoughts down below. To me, these are crazy. They did a great job. Quality's crazy. The details are nice. It's a great colorway. I'm happy and I cannot wait to actually put these on feet. So make sure you guys hit that thumbs up and stay tuned for the review and on foot of the Air Jordan 1 UNC toe. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.